Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Eucalyptus has a very distinctive smell. Few people know that eucalyptus leaves have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and expectorant properties. In today's video, you'll learn a home recipe to use eucalyptus for your health and well-being. Have you ever drunk eucalyptus tea? The tea made from eucalyptus leaves is recommended to fight flu symptoms, colds, sinusitis, to fight cough with phlegm, to eliminate lung secretions accumulated during bronchitis, to improve the action of the immune system, to prevent and fight respiratory infections, and to help with sore throat and bad breath. Did you know? This tea can be prepared with the leaves of the eucalyptus tree, which you can easily buy in health food stores or in compounding pharmacies. To prepare it, you need 1 tablespoon of crushed eucalyptus leaves and 150 milliliters of water. Add the crushed eucalyptus leaves to the water and boil it for 1 minute. Turn off the stove, close the lid, and leave it for 5 minutes. Then strain and drink 1 cup of the tea 2 to 3 times a day. This tea can also be used for inhalation, prepared with fresh eucalyptus leaves or used as a mouthwash. If you want to know how to prepare an inhalation or mouthwash with eucalyptus leaves, leave your suggestion in the comments section. Try it out. If you already knew, tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like the video. Don't keep this information to yourself. Help your friends and family by sharing this tip with them. I wish you good health.